Hey everyone, it's Val here, and welcome back to my channel Unboxing with Val, where I will be uploading monthly unboxings of different subscription boxes that I am subscribed to. I am only subscribed to two, so one of them we've seen on my channel, it's Ipsy, and then the other one, it's coming in a few days, and that'll be my second one, but I'm excited to be unboxing for you all. I do want to kind of come up with like a days that I upload some of these videos. So like Ipsy's unboxing I want to do every Wednesday, so that'll be hashtag Ipsy Wednesday. I think that kind of sounds cute and quirky and funny. Kind of like me, I'm a little quirky. And so yeah, so we have an Ipsy bag right here. Here's our Ipsy bag. And this is November 2022 unboxing. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and pick out what we have in our bag. So here it goes. There it goes. And then let's go ahead and unbox for you. So let's first of all show you what I chose. I think I told you in my last Ipsy unboxing that I'm kind of more into the cleansers right now, trying different face cleansers. So if there's like add-ons like for $5 or less, or $10 or less, $12 or less, then I do like to get different cleansers. I think I have found the cleanser that I like the most so far. So I might stop with the cleansers and just buy a full size of the cleanser that I like from online. And I also think I found a moisturizer that I really like that helps my skin, so I will be doing that too probably. But first, this cleansers that I chose are this cleanser. It's the Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash. And this one is vegan and made in the UK. I like to smell things, so let's go ahead and smell it. You know what, let's not open it, but it smells good, I think. Okay, the next one is the Osea Ocean Cleanser. And this one says, seaweed looks good on you. It's safe skincare, passionately run by families since 1996, from Malibu, California. It's clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Maybe I might like this one too. This one I can smell it. Oh, this one smells nice. I might like this one too. So like I said, I'm in the middle of choosing cleansers that I might like. Here is the product, and if I like it, then I'll have to buy the full size. Does that one have the prices? No. Okay, so let's go ahead and, this is the information card. So November 2022's theme was Creature Comforts. So it says, the weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. And this month's bag is like cheetah print with an orange stripe in the middle. And then this is the little zipper, just gold with an the Ipsy logo. So now we're going to go and open it. So the first product that we will pull out, we will go in order. We will pull out the Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick and Girl Powder. And I don't want to open it. But here it is. And then we've got the next product, the It Cosmetics the Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in the color black. I don't think I'll be using this one, so I might re-gift this one just because I've tried It Cosmetics mascara and I don't necessarily love them. The next one we have is the Pistache Skincare Whipped Pistachio Body Butter, also known as the Boyfriend Body Butter. I think I will like this one. I like trying different lotions, and it's got pistachio oil. Oh, and this one smells good. So this is this one. And then we've got the Hermetic Perfection 100 All-in-One Face Eye Cream. And this will be good. I need to be better with my skincare and my specifically like wrinkles and old aging or whatever, aging skin. My family is prone to wrinkles. My mom has a lot of wrinkles, and my aunt has told me that I need to take care of my skin because like I said, my family is prone to aging skin and all that fun stuff. So I've been trying to do that and adding like eye cream into my day cream, or eye cream into my routine at night and in the morning. And Ipsy is a great resource and tool for that because they do have a lot of skincare products that I can try. Give me a second. Okay, so the last product in here is the Gold Faden MD Fresh Appeal, a multi-acid resurfacing peel. I've never tried a face peel before, so I think this will be something that we might like. This one can help reveal your softest, smoothest, and most supple skin yet with this resurfacing peel formulated with lactic acid and fruit enzymes, plus vitamin C and E to help reveal healthier, brighter looking skin and improve the appearance of breakouts. The tip is to use a peel 2 or 3 times a week max. So I could probably use this Mondays and Fridays, Mondays and Wednesdays, but this is the face peel. Gonna have to try this out and add this to my skincare routine. If we like it, we might buy a full size. The full size product, is expensive. For me, it's 85 bucks, but it might be worth it. So I'm gonna have to try this out, and if I like it, then I might have to think about investing in it. And then I do like to read everything else, so I will go ahead and go back and read them just because I know I didn't. So for the Hermetic Perfection 100 Facial Eye Cream, it's supposed to function as a daily moisturizer and superpowered eye treatment. It uses collagen and peptides to help firm and smooth skin, plus a dose of hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and create an instant plumping effect. The tip is to dot it around your eyes first for full absorption, then after serum, apply all over face. Okay, so this is, okay, so that's why it says all-in-one facial eye cream. So it can be used for your face, both your face and your eyes, which is good. I like the versatility of some of these products. This one will be good to try it. I think it seems like it's also just another moisturizer. So I've got 3 moisturizers to try. And then the Pistache Skincare says, swoon over the sweet scent and softness of your skin when you use this decadent body butter. It's enriched with nourishing pistachio oil and renewing blue-green algae to create a comforting, protective, and sweeter than sweet feeling. You will fall in love. Tip: slather all over, concentrating on your roughest areas, elbows, knees, soles, etc. And then I forgot to say with this one, the Hermetic, the full size is $34. So if we like this, then $34 for the full product, or the full size product, isn't that bad. And then for the Pistache Skincare, the full size version is $28. $28 I don't think is that bad either. And then for the It Cosmetics, which I've tried It Cosmetics mascara and I don't love it. But the full size product is $25. I won't really read about this one. The last one, the Real Her moisturizing lipstick, the full size product is $18, and it's this one. So it says, if your dream lipstick feels just like a bomb, then the silky, nourishing option is for you. One swipe of the creamy formula gives your lips long-lasting moisture. Thank you jojoba seed oil and shea butter, while coating lips in a gorgeous deep mauve tint. Okay, so that is the end of my little unboxing. If you would like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. This channel is solely dedicated to unboxing videos. I love unboxing subscription boxes particularly, and my goal is to have different subscription boxes that I can unbox. Ipsy is just one of the many of them that I enjoy. Thanks to my Auntie Crystal. My Auntie Crystal actually got me into Ipsy. She likes Ipsy too, and I love Ipsy now. Like, I love trying different products, and some of them come in full size, some of them come in little mini samples, but just trying different products is kind of nice. And also, I think from what I've heard, not 100% sure if this is accurate, but using the same products on your skin for so much time can kind of, like, I think from what I've heard, isn't that great. So I kind of like trying different stuff for my skin and seeing what works best, what doesn't work best. But yeah, so like I said, that was the end of my unboxing with Val. Ipsy Wednesday. So happy Ipsy Wednesday. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'm excited to share more unboxing videos with you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. To subscribe for more unboxing videos, there will be a link down, or the buttons down below. I forgot what side it's on. Also, I do have other channels. I have my main channel, Valerie Tellez. I have my vlog channel, Valerie Tellez Vlogs. And I have a gaming channel. I think it's Valerie Tellez Gaming. I'll have all those linked down below. I haven't been posting onto those channels, but I do plan to within time. So like I said, go ahead and subscribe to those ones too. Those will be linked down below. And leave a comment down below if you've tried any of these products, or if you're subscribed to any subscription boxes and what you think I should try to subscribe to next. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!